Alright guys, so you have successfully installed your Google Classroom app on your phone, and this is how you are going to join a class when I send you an invite code. Okay, so now you scroll around and you find your Google Classroom app. Okay, when you find it, you click on it, you open. Here is your dashboard. There is no class here now. Now you click on the blue button, join class, or you can click on the plus sign that is down below. You can click on this plus sign, join class or create class, but in your case, just click on join class, right? You can click on this class. So here is where it says enter the class code. Okay, you will copy the class code that I'm going to send to you, and you can paste it here. Once you paste it here, you click on the button on top that says join, right? You click on it, and then you wait for it for some time, and voila, you have successfully joined a class, right? Now to find you have successfully joined a class. Okay, you can add class comments. Okay, you can add class comments here. You can add welcome, you like this, you like that. Okay, you can do that. Now you can also, to access your classwork, look at the below. You can look below, and then you can see stream, classwork, and people. Okay, you can click on classwork to join the class, right? You can see everything that is here, everything that is here. So okay, you can view it here, and then you can open your videos, and then you can watch your videos. You can open the books, you can read the books, right? You can read the books, you can do your assignments. You go to module 1, you go to module 2. That's how you keep going. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Cheers.